Okay, so we've got a little bit of a tight edge, shall we call it, tight corner. So two ways we can persuade this. Heat always helps. We like to use steam. Steam's good because it's warm and it keeps the material wet.
Yeah. I suppose a heat gun will
dry it out. And it can make it. You still can use a heat gun, but it makes it quite a lot hotter, and you've got the risk of folding and creasing the film
because it like weakens it.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you don't need steam, but
no, not necessarily.
Like, if you do have a steamer, then it's always a useful useful tool to have.
So we're going to try and use it to just see if we can get that into there. If this doesn't work, then we'll probably look at leaving this to dry out for an hour or two, coming back and just playing with it and trying to get it in there. So
yeah, sure.
Let's see what we can do.
Just another option, really, isn't it? It's just lightly heating it, allowing it to stretch. Oh wow, look at that. It wants to go straight away, doesn't it?
Just using the stretchiness of the squeegee to try and recreate the angle. You can see how that's sort of begun to take the shape. Now made it a lot more manageable than what it was.
Yeah, definitely.
So we may not get all of that down just now, but at least we've got something.
It's got us 80% of the way there, hasn't it?
Yeah, we can work with that now. So I'll let that dry. Probably keep coming back to it every now and again just to keep an eye on it, make sure it hasn't sprung back, and then we can tidy this all up. But yeah, all the top edges are looking fine. That just needs to be dried. These we will be sorted out when we cut the film, and then we can lay them down. These are obviously going to be hidden by the number plate anyway when it goes back in. Yeah. So yes, we're gonna have to put a cut into the film, but that's purely there because of the number plate holes.
Makes sense.
So we'll keep coming back to these areas, and we'll try and show you as we go along how we've got them to go down. Again, it's time. You see, I can keep sitting here all night long. It's not going to go anywhere, but if I leave it for some time and let it dry out, then we're going to get somewhere.
So we'll go with the same approach for everything that's left here.
Yeah, if needs be. Yeah, just leave it all. The important bits are lined up, so towing eye's lined up, parking sensors are lined up. Everything's nice and even all the way along for the edges. Yeah, we've got a nice line just along the top of the bumper, so we've got good coverage for the PPF. So we play the waiting game again.
Excellent. Get us on again.